How are you doing, everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this holiday series we are going to Montenegro. It is currently 1:30 a.m. at Gatwick airport. I'm just going to the south terminal. We're flying with WizzAir, heading off to departures right now, so let's get into this vlog and see how the south terminal is. Alright, so we came to the airport about 2 o'clock-ish. They've opened up the check-in at 3:30 and it's 3:30 right now. And our flight is at 5:30. It is pretty busy being first in line for check-in because it can take a little bit of a while, but all is good. So let's head through security, departures and the rest.
Where the local time is approaching 5 minutes past 9 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and keep your carry-on items stowed away until the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off.